Okay, so let's take a look at this section right here. What I'm going to do is just do the Firebug, and it's the showcase section. Where are we here? Let me just see here. Section wrapper, showcase. Here we are right here, and there's the link. So let's go to the styles line 850 and take a look to see what we have going on here. So site, styles, and styles.css 850. Okay, so here we go. So here's our the graphics. We have a showcase background JPEG. So here's what I do when I'm like sometimes not quite sure what that image looks like, because I would have to go and pull it out of the graphics folder. But it's hard to see sometimes in Dreamweaver what things look like. So what I do is I create a blank page like so, and I'm going to go find that showcase background JPEG, which is that one right there, and pull it onto the page, just sort of see, and that's it right there. It's just that solid graphic image there. Now that's just a solid color. So what you could actually do here is you could actually just remove this URL part right here, okay, and then you can change the background color. This is a fallback color, so when the graphic isn't used, you can actually just use the color. So just go and change that there. Let's change to FF3300, which should come off as some sort of an orange color here. Let's see what that does. There it is right there. Okay, so it changes to sort of a bit of an orangey color right there. And of course, with the other section bits and pieces, there's some additional background there as well, right? Because we've got, because of all the, like I said, all the different filigree here and the different lines and whatnot, we've got some different left and right bits and pieces, right? So this is where you would take the showcase inner, and you could probably just get rid of that, the showcase wrapper, and the showcase container. Basically anything with that's showing an image in there, you can get rid of it. So just to confirm, basically because these have a left, a top, and a bottom graphic in there, we're going to just remove those styles, right? Or you can actually just remove the background piece, and then you can leave the shadow. So just select the background, get rid of it, click on the background line and get rid of it, and save it, and let's just see what that does. There you go. Now the entire thing is just the color that has been selected that we've used right here, but it's still allowing the inner shadow to be used. So that's where that sort of different gradient comes from. So the same from this piece here. Let's just take a look at this piece here. There it is there, and that is the copyright, and there's our copyright right there, 1123. So we go to the line 1123 for the copyright section. And basically follow the same sort of pattern. So here's our copyright. That's the background color right there. There's the shadow that's sort of provided, so we can change this to a 1, 2, 3, which is going to be a gray, dark gray color, and there it is right there. Okay, so those are the things you can play around with there until you get what you're looking for.